we want to add here a blog module, which is right here. And with this blog module, it's really handy because you can use not only your normal posts, but you can use it for pages, media, or projects that you want to showcase. So let's leave it at 3 posts. Let's put it at 5. Okay, and let's check on our design. So we want the excerpt looks fine. We want these centered. Let's see what we can do. In this one, you can add or remove the specific things like the author and categories. So right now we're gonna leave the categories, remove the author, and add the comments. Let's see what else we need. Okay, for the title text, we want it in all caps and Josephine Sands, semi-bold 26. And we want it centered. The meta text, we want, this one is in Merriweather 14. And the color is that purple that we have. And we want it centered as well. Let's see the text in general, the body text. It's this color, and that's Merriweather 14. Okay. Okay, let's save and check that. All right. Now we can see that we're missing the read more button. It's a little bit trickier. So let's see. On the elements, read more button. And we see it here in its formatting. Let's add, I think that one's Merriweather as well. To get that double border, we'll need to add some styles to it, so we'll do that in a later lesson. Okay, all right, and we'll stop that and we'll continue with the sidebar in the next lesson.